Hey everybody, today I want to show you a way that you can make money online without using paid ads on channels like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. One question I see out there pretty often is if it's only possible to make money online and grow your business if you're spending money on traffic sources like these. The truth is, it's absolutely not. You can easily grow and scale an online business just for free to getting traffic you get online. Today I'm going to give you my favorite places to get free traffic right now that aren't costing me a penny in advertising. Now, before I jump in, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I regularly drop new videos where I share with you how to make money online. It's totally free, and it's the only way to make sure you see videos as soon as they're released. Also, make sure to hit the like button to let me know if you find this content to be of value. All right, let's jump in and talk about my favorite free traffic sources. New apps like TikTok and Triller. Okay, I had to start with these to get them out of the way because, to be really transparent, I'm not active on TikTok and a lot of the newer apps out there. However, I know for a fact from other entrepreneurs, I see that being early on these apps is one of the best ways to get completely free traffic. Here's why. When these apps are just getting started, it's important for them to quickly test new content and show new users as much content as possible so they can choose who they want to follow. That's why early on, the Discover tab or the For You page are extremely important because that's where people find content that the app is testing to find their interests. So being early on those apps, and yes, by joining TikTok, you are still considered early. It's a great way to get your content viewed by thousands of people without spending a penny on advertising. And even though TikTok is in the early stages, they have over 1 billion users. And just for content, Facebook has around 2.8 billion. So in just a few years, TikTok has gained a third of the users of Facebook. Now, if you're worried about needing to dance or sing to get views, that simply is not the case. TikTok has evolved as it's grown in popularity. You'd be surprised at how many trending videos are just videos of someone talking about their daily life or sharing a funny story. The truth to success on TikTok is consistency. Create 2 to 3 TikToks per day, testing out a variety of different things, and you'll find you'll get at least 100 views per video. If you're not sure what to post, download the app, sign up for an account, and spend an hour watching videos. You'll get at least 5 to 6 ideas on what you could start posting. If you do this for long enough, you'll build up an audience, and before you know it, you'll have people visiting your affiliate offers without paying a dime for traffic. Another option is Facebook groups and forums. I typically recommend everyone that wants to start an online business to start a Facebook group in their niche. The reason for this is because creating your group is free, and when people are searching for groups in your niche, Facebook will recommend your group. The key with Facebook groups is to make them interesting. Pick something that stands out. So for example, if you're promoting a product that helps people make money online, a group called Make Money Online isn't going to get you very far. But something like Make Money Online for Stay-at-Home Moms or Make Money Online Without Facebook Ads. Now you'll start to get people's attention and you'll find people joining the group because they're interested in how you're doing it. Now, if you don't want to make your own group, that's fine too. You can easily join groups out there and jump into the conversations they're having. Now, the same is true for forums like Reddit or Quora. When people ask questions and you've got answers, then leave a link in your bio or profile to a product you're promoting. And if you answered the question well, people will naturally go to your profile or even DM you with additional questions. One important thing to remember about social media is that it's built to help people connect and create relationships. If you're out there to add value and build relationships, you'll meet a lot of people who will benefit from your services. Another option could be to post original content on YouTube. Now, for those who are saying it's too late to get started on YouTube or that ship sailed, it's simply not true. It isn't too late. The reality is that's an excuse. It's one I've made before. See, the reason that you're not late to the party when it comes to YouTube is because it's changed the way people spend time on the website. It's used to be where people would search for a video, watch it, and then go about their day. But now, YouTube has gotten far better in recommending content. There's so much stuff to watch on there that people are sticking around for hours watching new videos that YouTube recommends. So now you have two ways for people to see your videos for free. Either you create videos that people are likely to search for a product review or tutorial, or to create content that YouTube would recommend, like how to make an omelet blindfolded or whatever you're into that's relevant to your niche. Oh, and before I leave this one, unlike webinars, YouTube videos are great because you don't even have to show your face. You can simply have a PowerPoint up and record your voice over it if you're feeling shy at first. If the content truly helps people and it solves a problem, YouTube will do its job and distribute it. The best advice I can give with regards to YouTube is starting. Just start. Create a video around a topic that's either trending or something that people are searching for that you're also interested in, and post it. Everyone's video first time out is garbage. We all start somewhere, but with time, consistency, and practice, your videos will get better and better. Your subscriber count will grow, and the traffic to your affiliate offers will skyrocket. This doesn't happen overnight for anyone. Plan on it taking a year for people to find you and for your impact to grow. Now, there's such a thing called the discussion tab. This is a feature that I'm going to start using more often, and as soon as I get a little bit more on it, I'm going to release a tutorial on it, what I've learned. But check this out. On the YouTube discussion tab, you'll actually be able to post text-based messages, images, or GIFs, just like on Facebook fan pages. But unlike Facebook fan pages, the engagement will be a lot higher. What this means is if you don't upload any videos, if people subscribe to your channel, you can still write content and promote products without having to create any videos. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but how do I get subscribers without any videos? The answer is pretty simple. Comment valuable content or answer questions under other people's channels. Just like forums, if you're providing helpful info, people will naturally check out your profile to see if you have other content they can learn from. So let's recap. The first free traffic method is TikTok or whatever the new trending app is. Remember, being early on a new app is one strategy to build an audience quickly and therefore getting more traffic to your offers. Next is Facebook groups and other forum type sites. Be part of the conversation surrounding your niche and strive to build relationships. Next is creating YouTube videos. This method takes time. My advice is to put at least a year in before expecting any crazy results. Last is utilizing the discussion tab of YouTube to increase engagement and build relationships. Okay, so that should have given you enough ideas to get started. Remember, when it comes to growing an online business, there's always ways to make it happen that works with your budget or schedule. The biggest problem for most beginners is that they don't actually have a high converting product they feel confident in promoting. And this is a challenge that we all face, and I've looked hard for a solution. And we've got a lot of trial and error. I found this guy named Anthony Morrison, and he actually provides a program called Partner with Anthony. It's only $7 a month, where he provides done-for-you funnels, email sequences, high converting products to promote, additional traffic strategies, and essential training content that will benefit any new business owner. It's been a game changer, and it's provided a solid foundation to build my business on. So even if you're relatively interested in affiliate marketing, you should definitely check this out. There is a link in my description that you can click on to view free training that goes more in depth on this program. At the very least, click it and check it out. If it's not worth it for you, no harm done. But my guess is that for $7 a month, it'll be well worth it for you. As always, thank you for viewing today's training, and I'll see you next time.